Hi guys, my name is Chris and I'm going to be teaching salsa at the summer dance school, which is hosted by La Perla Experience. I will be teaching the beginners class, which is for those of you who have never tried salsa before. We're going to start from the basics. You're going to learn how to lead, and at the end of the week you're going to have a handful of figuras that you can use. Most importantly, we're going to learn how to have fun while we're dancing. And I'm going to be teaching the Intermediate 1 class. And this class is for those of you who have tried salsa before. So in this class, we're going to go more in depth with the leading. And at the end of the class, we're going to have a lot of nice, cool figuras that you can use on the dance floor when you're out dancing. Dance with you guys. I'm really looking forward to the summer dance school. We're gonna have a lot of fun, we're gonna party, we're gonna dance, and see you guys.